Hey y'all, it's your girl Makara Danielle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be doing another wig install. If you guys want to figure out how to be a baddie on a budget with this $35 overnight Amazon synthetic wig from Sensational Hair, stay tuned. I'm showing y'all my braid down to begin with, just to show y'all it doesn't have to be perfect, just needs to fit underneath the wig cap. Straight out the pack, the curls are really soft and fluffy. There's an elastic band, as well as two combs and a comb on the bottom to keep your wig secure. So I'm just pulling my hair back to make it easier to trim the lace. And that's step one, to cut the lace to frame your hairline. I like to cut my lace using pinking shears. Pinking shears have a little zigzag cut across the blade, so as I go around to trim the lace from my hairline, it's a lot easier than using regular scissors to zigzag back and forth. Step 2 is going to be to tint the lace, and you can do this with makeup. I like to use powder makeup just because I think it settles easily into the lace. It's really quick and easy to do. It's not messy. I'm also going to go around and pull some edges out around my hairline, and I'm going to go fill in the powder around my hairline too. Now I'm going through and I'm trimming some edges around the hairline. Now, quick disclaimer guys, I do not do edges often, so I was trying to play around here a little bit with some adhesive. So that's pretty much the next step here. You're gonna see me go in with some Got To Be Glued, and I'm just taking it around the edges to kind of give it like a little stickiness, to kind of secure my wig a little bit more. You know, even though I use a wig grip and that stays on pretty well, you know, this also can help your hairline blend in a little bit more. If you're not using like a Got To Be Glued edge control, you can also even use like a melt spray. And this is just for those who don't want to use a super strong wig adhesive or anything that might break them out. This last step is optional. I'm just going through with some regular scissors and I'm just trimming the curls a little bit shorter to frame my face to emulate a more natural looking afro. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. I just put on some makeup and I just continue to brush down my edges and secure with a little lace spray, but this was a very easy peasy lemon squeezy type of wig. I just threw it on, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie, Sensational, you kind of killing the game. Like, it's really 3 steps to any wig with them. Cut the lace, powder the lace, tint the lace, and then just secure it. Whether you have a wig grip or you have some lace adhesive or some melt spray, and your wig is good to go, already pre-styled. Like, I swear, you could be a baddie on a budget with them. This wig was only $35 from Amazon, overnight shipping, and I swear, I don't look like I'm $35, let me tell you. Okay? This wig is cute. This wig is so cute. But thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you not only like and comment down below, but also make sure that you click that notification bell so the next time I post a video, you already know where to go. Okay? But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. And until then, peace.
High volume.
Am I really down?